Okay, so it is Tuesday, February 5th at 10:36 a.m. We have received our package from the post office. They called like they said that they would. We had to go there, make sure that they had our numbers, and I spoke to the manager there that receives the shipping. Our brooder is set up. We have a perfect temperature. It's 95 degrees. We've set up some electrolyte waters for them so that they can recover from their shipment, and some starter crumble, and we're ready to unbox. Go ahead, Al. You get the honors since you dressed up for the occasion. Al rushed back from work. Let's see what we got here. Relax, Rory. I'll let you in just a second. Hi! Everybody's upright. Uh-oh, and the red is already pecking at the little Australorp there.
Yeah.
Hi!
2 white Morans, 1 Laverton Orpington, 1 Olive Egger, 2 black Australorps, 2 Easter Eggers, and 2 Rhode Island Reds.
I guess that's our order.
That's our order. We got 1 lavender.
Yeah, that's for you. Happy Valentine's Day. That looks like an Easter egg. So, do you want me to put the water down in there, or that make it easier? Or bring the water down here? So the deal is you dip their beaks into the water to teach them how to do this, because ordinarily when they are hatched from their eggs, they don't need
This must be the
water or food right away. There you go, babies. That is an Australorp. And their moms would teach them how to, where to find water, how to drink. So this is their very first drink of water. So far, they've survived on whatever nutrients they got from their yolk. Incidentally, there's a thing on the website that says if you see strings on them, not to pull them, that's their umbilical cord, and leave them alone. The dog is furious. I'm going to come on the other side so I can get a good look at each one. We got our Morans. All of them. All of you guys.
Hey guys. It's okay.
Oh, it's a red. It's a tiny little red. It could be an olive egger. The Australorps are already noticeably larger. I don't think she got
You get them?
No. Still not.
I can't. Yep.
Hey, buddy. Are you going to go by your friends?
You want to do these guys? All video you?
No, it's alright. You can keep going. You're doing a good job.
They're huddling together. Look at them.
They're cold, yeah. Well, they're used to being underneath a big mama hen. Or they would prefer to be under a big mama hen. These aren't used to anything. Aww. The Morans are so
look at
tiny.
you. How pretty you are.
There's your Lavender Orpington now.
Yay. It's okay, buddy.
Okay, Rory. Okay.
Just
Like, what about
two more.
Just a second. Oh, somebody's alone.
What's the purple band? White Moran.
The white Morans have purple bands, and I think that Olive Egger has a purple band too. The first one you put in looks like a little dazed. Oh, there she goes. Pecking at her sister's foot.
Okay, Rory.
There you have it. The Messina flock. Come on in, Rory. You got chickies, puppy. Oh, hi. He's like, what do I smell? Hello. Yep, you have chickies.
So
How funny that well, never mind. I was going to say that they paired up birds of a feather, but
Here's the heat pack. Goes underneath.
Rory, don't get too curious, my friend. We do have a lid for the top of this, incidentally.
Everybody arrives safe and sound.
Yes, you're a good boy. Be good.